SavorOne rewards from Capital One credit card review. Watch before you apply. Welcome to our review of the SavorOne rewards from Capital One credit card. If you're someone who loves dining out, entertainment, or simply enjoying your favorite streaming services, then this card might be the perfect match for you. Let's dive into the features that make the SavorOne card stand out. First, you'll earn an impressive 3% cashback on dining, entertainment, and popular streaming services like Netflix and Spotify. On top of that, you get 3% cash back at grocery stores, excluding superstores like Walmart and Target. For all other purchases, you'll still earn a solid 1% cash back. One of the best things about the SavorOne card is that it comes with no annual fee, making it an excellent choice for those looking to maximize rewards without any ongoing costs. But that's not all. The card also offers a sign-up bonus of $200 after you spend $500 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening. This is a great way to kickstart your rewards right out of the gate. Plus, you can enjoy a 0% introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months, after which a variable APR will apply. The SavorOne Rewards card is designed for individuals with good to excellent credit who frequently spend on dining, entertainment, and groceries. If you're a foodie, love going to concerts or movies, or want to get rewarded for your grocery shopping, this card can help you earn significant cash back on your everyday spending. The lack of an annual fee, combined with a robust rewards program, makes it a compelling choice for anyone in this category. In summary, the SavorOne Rewards from Capital One is a highly competitive cashback card that offers strong rewards where it matters most: on dining, entertainment, streaming, and groceries. With no annual fee, a generous sign-up bonus, and a lengthy 0% intro APR period, it's a card worth considering if these spending categories align with your lifestyle. Make sure to evaluate your spending habits to see if this card is the right fit for you.